Well, good afternoon. I'm Alan with the plant farm today, and we're behind the plant farm greenhouse in one of the production greenhouses of Creech Greenhouse, which is where I spend the majority of my time. But we're going to look for just a little bit at how to propagate one of my favorite plants, the Hoya, whether it be the Carnosa or the tricolor or any of these Hoyas are all a lot of fun. There's even the Hindu rope. Each one of us is a lot of fun. And they all propagate pretty much the same. Now, if you look right here, I've already stuck a few of the cuttings in. And when you get done, this is really what you're going to see is just the leaves that are sticking out of the soil. Now, interestingly, on the Hoya, when you receive the cuttings, they come as what we call a leaf and an eye. And so with Hoyas, it's very frequent or common that you're going to actually see the beginnings of an adventitious root right here, right just here in this growth node area. Now that's the same place that we're going to make sure we have great soil contact with. So I'm going to insert this into our root home, and then I'm take this cutting and just gently press it into our soil, making sure that that stem is all covered. Now, what's going to happen with this plant is it's going to root, and then it'll begin to grow a new shoot right there from that node. Now, the thing I really like about this particular Hoya is the fact that it has such a high coloration, a lot of times pinks and purples. And I think this particular plant that we have here gives us a really great example of the kind of color that we're talking about. Hoyas are easy. And then the other thing that they'll do for you is after a period of time, they're going to begin to put out a little spur. And from that spur, they'll bloom and bloom on that spur year after year. So when you prune your Hoyas, be careful that you don't get too aggressive and prune a lot of your blooming spurs off the plant. I'm Alan with the Plant Farm, and enjoy your opportunity to propagate the Hoya series.